Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Toncoin or Ton from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Binance account. It's a pretty straightforward process, but make sure to follow each step closely. Let's get started. First things first, you need to have both the Tonkeeper and Binance app installed on your mobile device. You also need to be signed into both apps. So go ahead and sign into your Tonkeeper account and your Binance account. Once you're in Tonkeeper, tap on Send to begin your process. By default, it will be set to Ton. So now we need to grab your deposit address from Binance. To do that, let's switch over to Binance app. Inside Binance, tap on Wallets, then scroll down and find Ton under your available coins. Tap on Ton and select the deposit options. From here, you'll want to copy the deposit address. If Binance asks for a memo, be sure to copy that as well. Once you have copied the address and memo, head back to your Tonkeeper app. In Tonkeeper, paste the deposit address into the send field. Now you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, hit continue and add the amount of Ton that you want to transfer. If Binance requires a memo, you can go back to your Binance wallet and copy the memo code. Paste it in the memo field back in Tonkeeper. Once you have done that, just tap on continue and that's it. You're all set to transfer your Tonkeeper Ton to Binance. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.